Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to change the video quality while watching YouTube videos on your PC. In this quick and easy guide, we'll show you the steps to adjust the video quality to suit your preferences. Step 1. To get started, open YouTube on your PC. Launch your web browser and navigate to youtube.com. Step 2. Once you're on YouTube, find and open the video you want to watch. Simply click on the video thumbnail to start playing it. Step 3. In the video player, look for the Settings option. It is usually represented by a gear icon. Click on it to access the Video Settings menu. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on the Quality option. This will allow you to choose the video quality for playback. Step 5. Now, you can select your preferred video quality. Choose from options such as 1080p, 720p or lower resolutions depending on your internet connection and device capabilities.